A Stoic does not hand over power by reacting. He knows every outburst is a weakness exposed, every hasty word a move surrendered. So he chooses stillness, not as retreat, but as strategy. He doesn't suppress his emotions, he commands them. This silence unsettles manipulators. They rely on your reactions to gain control, to steer the game. But when you remain calm, unmoved, their tactics fail. They lose their grip because silence gives them nothing to work with. If this spoke to you, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. And in the comments, write power in silence, not for me, for you. You're not here to be louder. You're here to be clearer. For those addicted to validation, silence is unbearable. It threatens the illusion of importance. But the Stoic is unmoved by ego. He holds his tongue not out of fear, but strength. As Marcus Aurelius said, the nearer a man comes to a calm mind, the closer he is to strength. Silence takes more courage than speech. It denies the urge to defend, explain, or be understood. It is not instinct. It is mastery. And in that mastery, the Stoic says more than words ever could. Now ask yourself, how often have you stayed silent, not from strength, but from fear, from guilt, from the need to be liked? How many times have you swallowed your truth so others could feel comfortable walking over it? Marcus Aurelius said, the soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. If your silence is tinted with shame, it's not virtue, it's self-betrayal. From this moment on, your silence is no longer a hiding place. It's a boundary, a declaration, a quiet force. You don't need to be understood. You need to be. That takes courage. If you're ready, say it. I choose the silence that commands respect, not for attention, but as a vow to yourself. Because true power doesn't shout. It simply is. If this spoke to you, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. And in the comments, write power in silence. Not for me, for you. You're not here to be louder. You're here to be clearer.